My dear students and parents, I'm sure you are taking care of your safety, you are wearing the mask, cleaning the hands, maintaining social distancing and all that. Here's an exciting competition for all of you. Make your stay in the house interesting and participate in this elocution competition. The competition is on the topic, what are the good things we learnt from COVID-19 experience? What are the good things we learnt from the COVID-19 experience? That is the topic. The topic is displayed there. There are a lot of bad things happen. Loss of life, loss of job, income, bad things have happened. But good things also. For example, people learnt what it means to take care of their lungs. People learnt that cigarette smoking will damage the lungs and breathing system. Right? People learnt that they should sanitize their hands, cleanliness they learned. I am giving a few examples. Do research on the internet and you should deliver a speech for not more than 3 minutes. Not more than 3 minutes. This speech can be in English, in Tamil, in Hindi or in Sanskrit. No problem. 4 languages you can choose. And once you have recorded it, you should send the speech to the phone number given below. Right? We will evaluate the speech on 5 criteria. And the criteria is displayed here. First of all, fluency and diction. Right? How fluent are you? How do you pronounce the words? Whichever language you are going to present it. 2, richness of the content. Do a lot of research, find out innovative things. I'm sure you are capable of doing it. 3, quality of delivery. How do you deliver? Right? With what confidence you are delivering, right? Quality of delivery. Facts and statistics given. You may browse through the website and come out with the facts. And 5, innovation. That is what new things you are going to give which is different from others. Right? So these are the 5 criteria on which you will be evaluated. We will select 5 entries for each of the languages. 5 students from Tamil, 5 from English, 5 from Hindi and 5 from Sanskrit. And that will be put to vote by the audience and the winner will be announced. We will have 3 prizes for each of the languages, first prize, second prize and third prize. See this episode once again and make a note of the various things I have mentioned. Get ready for an exciting elocution competition. Make use of the lockdown time. Take care of yourself. Go for the injection when your turn comes. Do not move outside unless it is important and urgent. All the best.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur,